Good evening, students. Last session we started a new software spreadsheet and we learned few things in Microsoft Excel package, that is how to create a worksheet, what are all the various components present in Microsoft Excel package. Next session, that is on tomorrow, we will be learning how to edit the contents present in spreadsheet and also how to format the cells. Are you ready for the learning? And tomorrow during the session I'll be given you some laboratory exercise, some project work for you. So for that, even though you are having phone, you can still submit your project work. So for that, the thing you have to do on your phone is you have to install spreadsheet package. So ma'am is using WPS Office. Can you see this icon? WPS Office. So within this you can use spreadsheet. See here, Word document, presentation, spreadsheet, everything we can use. So now I am going to use spreadsheet. So this is one way of using spreadsheet in phone, or else go to Play Store and type Microsoft Excel. So you can download Microsoft Excel package in your phone as an application. Okay. So now see, to create a blank spreadsheet, you have to click on this blank. The spreadsheet will be opened. It is same as the view which we seen in our laptop or desktop only. And see this bottom area, so various tools available. And tomorrow during the session we are going to learn how to edit cells. So simply by double clicking on a cell we can edit the content present in the cell. And one more thing is, see here, if you press this button you can see the various tabs available in spreadsheet, and under this in home tab see the options available. We are going to learn the topic format cells, and in this format cells we just want to change borders and also how to fill the color for cells. So this is what we are going to learn tomorrow. Okay, so all of you, if you don't have Excel or spreadsheet in your phone, install it and ready for submitting all your work tomorrow. Yes, ready to learn spreadsheet, editing and formatting? Attend the session tomorrow. Bye children.